So till today we just saw normal rule verb conjugation. In the normal rule verb conjugation, it was very basic conjugation which I taught you in the previous video. Today I am going to teach you related to T/D rule. Yeah, it's a short form, T/D rule. First thing we need to know when to apply this rule. When? So as you can see down, I have given you some examples. Arbeiten, raten, schneiden. Yeah? So these are some of the verbs. When to apply TD rule? Now I will give you some rules for this. Like for example, arbeiten. If you cut en in all the words and then just observe the starting, only observe the starting. If you observe the starting, either the word is ending with T or either the word is ending with T or D. D for dog, T for tiger, D for dog. If when you cut en, when the starting of the word either ends with T for tiger or D for dog, then we can apply TD rule over there. It's very easy to understand. Take the verb, cut it in two parts, en separate, starting separate. Starting should end with T or D. T or D, then only you can apply TD rule over there. Now you came to know when to apply the rule. Now I just told you when to apply the rule. Now how to apply the rule? How? So here is your answer, how to apply the rule. How? So what you are supposed to do, like normal rule only, first cut the verb, write the starting with blue color, blue color, blue color. Once you have written the starting, take a red color pen, write a alphabet E for elephant everywhere from up till down. E. Everywhere you can write E. This is the second step. The third step, just add endings. Like ish ends with E, but just make sure no alphabet should be repeated. Like for example, here already E is there, so I cannot put E one more over here. So next, do ends with ST. RZS ends with T, we already know this. Wear ends with EN, but E is already there, so just put N. Ear ends with T and ZZ ends with EN. So make sure your extra part is only this much. Add E everywhere from up to down. That's it. Other things are same like normal rule only. Just make sure no alphabet should be repeated twice. This is the main rule of TD rule. So if I give you any verbs, like for example, if I give you the word chatten. So if I cut en, the starting of the word is ending with T for tiger. Then you can apply this rule. So in this manner, whenever you cut en and if the starting of the word is ending with T for tiger or D for dog, that time you can apply TD rule.